Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add lookup tables or LUTs in Filmora. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. First of all, open the Filmora application on your computer. Once you do that, from the media page, go ahead and select a project you would like to work on. Double click on the middle of the plus icon and select a video you would like to edit from your library. You can also go ahead and select a sample video you would like to edit. I'm just gonna open up a sample video. Once you import the video on the timeline, it'll look like this. Double click on the video clip on the timeline and then click on the color tab at the top. Now in the color tab, select the 3D LUT option and click on it. Once you enable the 3D LUT, go to the drop down right under it and select a preset. You can also click the advanced option and choose the preset you'd like to apply to your video by clicking on it. Once you select the preset, click on OK. You can also adjust the preset by clicking on the adjust button at the top and then adjust them in order to achieve the desired look for your footage. After you are done applying it, click on OK and you will be able to see that you've applied the lookup tables for your video. Preview the changes by clicking on the play button and then, once satisfied, export your edited video with the applied lookup table. Go ahead and click on export after you are done at the top and then select the export option in order to export your video. Now, given a name to your video, select the file location where you'd like to save the video. You can also go ahead and choose the resolution and other settings and finally click on export in order to export the video with the applied lookup table effect. The LUT can significantly enhance the visual impact of your footage by applying specific color grades or look. And that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.